What the heck is that thing?
I've never seen this before.
I've seen that type of tool used to cut grooves in concrete. I've never seen it used on a race car. But necessity is the mother of invention.
Still showing 25 cars or so on
there he goes.
The lead lap.
It is a relay. I know that this is David Mayo running as fast as he can.
He's going to be out of gas. Look at him hustling.
He's got some good speed. That's a right side window in a pouch, and if he can get there before...
Dale Jr., I know you're watching. Give this guy a bonus on Monday. That's a great effort.
Oh, yes, they're waiting on you guys.
Got to have a helmet.
Used to be able to see a lot out that right side, but not anymore. He'll have to get up to speed here as quickly as he can, because he's a full half lap behind the pack. Still, though, it's about experience.
We usually see a lot of people doing some serious body repairs at Bristol, but look at, you've got 7 hammers on the back of that truck. Look at that big sledgehammer that they're using to beat down the deck lid on that car. They've got to get where that spoiler can see the air, or else that car would have no downforce. But looks like they got it beat out pretty good, Johnny.
They did. I mean, when they left pit road here, I thought it didn't look too bad for all the damage that they had.
He's going to let Elliott Sadler in the 38 push him through 3 and 4.
Now, there are many reasons why it's good to have teammates, and they're going to come up on Mark Martin's car. We'll show you another one. He's got Greg Biffle's hood. Mark's was not usable. Biffle's out of the race with engine trouble, so they took Biffle's hood, put it on Mark's car, and away he goes. And a lot of tape.
And the amazing thing right now, we got Mark Martin in the 6, Ryan Newman in the 12, the 9 car with Hermie Sadler. They are all out there on the same lap, 80 laps down, racing for position.
Are you sure that's not the 16? He just left the 1 off, got torn off?
There's Kyle Busch now with another problem.
That's back in, look like the turn 1-2 area again as look at the smiley face they put on the patch. It's good the guys in the pit crew have a good sense of humor. I don't think Carl has a good sense of humor right now after that problem.
Poor travel grass taking a beating, and so is just A.J. Allmendinger's car.
Pit road is still closed, but the pace car continues to bring everyone down.
He's missing a few parts there, Ned. Yeah. It's not very aerodynamic, is it? Look at this. They just put a piece of sheet metal there and painted the 6 on it. You remember the whole side of that car was torn away by Rusty Wallace when they collided on the front stretch. Man, that is so funny. They just said, heck, let's just go to town on the bed here and jump on it till it gets back into shape.
I wonder if they've been to the wind tunnel with it like that.
The car, Sterling Marlin is jumping out of his car. He's going around to look at the right front fender. But, oh, he can't do that.
You can't work on your car under the red flag. That's the NASCAR rule.
Hold it off a little bit.
You're not allowed to work on your car under the red flag.